Hey guys, happy Friday. I just got off work. It is officially the weekend and I am so happy, and I decided that I would vlog the weekend for you guys. So I did just go to Target. I was gonna bring you guys along, but I got out of work at noon, and then I saw on the Target Does It Again Instagram that Target had released new sandals for spring, which I was obsessed with. Kind of like you're obsessed with me. Hello. So I went over there literally straight from work. I drove straight to Target because I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get these sandals. So quickly, I'm gonna make myself some lunch and then I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got at Target. I just did a little mini, I don't know if you'd call it like a haul, but I got a few things from Target, a few things that I ran out of, and then I also got some new stuff as well. Okay, cool. So I wanna quickly show you guys the stuff that I got from Target. I didn't get a whole lot, but I did get some cute stuff. So I wanted to show you guys. The first thing that I got, I've been wanting clips like this for quite some time. I keep seeing on Instagram everyone posting that they're wearing these super cute clips in their hair. And so I saw these ones at Target and they say no, yes on them. And I figured they're so cute and I just love how sparkly and gold they are. Next up, I got the cutest romper, which by the way, I have to try on because I just grabbed it. A lot of the times I'll go into Target and I'll see something and I just think, oh my gosh, that's so cute. And I'll grab it and take it home and then try it on. So this is the romper and I'll show you guys, I'm gonna try it on and show you a full body. That way you can see what it is. I got it in a size medium just because your girl's growing. But this is what the top looks like. I think it's so cute and it's like a sweatshirt material, super stretchy, but pretty thin and airy too. So I feel like it'll be perfect for spring/summer. And it's just nice and tight. And then it has these pants at the bottom. And this was $23. And like I said, I did get a size medium. Okay, so next up, I got two pairs of sandals that are so freaking cute. I cannot wait to show you these. So first pair of sandal slash, I guess, heels, kind of wedge kind of a thing, are these right here. And I did get these in a size 8. I usually am a size 7.5 when it comes to shoes. I can be either a 7.5 or an 8. So anyways, these are the sandals that they posted on Target Does It Again on the Instagram. Oh my gosh, can we just talk about how adorable these are? And like I said, I got these in a size 8 and they were $32.99. Okay, and then the next pair of shoes that I got are these super cute sandals. Can we just? They are so cute. I love them so much. I love the little detail here on the side. I think it's so adorable and I love the color. I just wanted like a bright, fun pop of color. They also had these in blue, which I would have gotten because blue is my favorite color, but I just could not pass up on the yellow. And these ones I got a size 8 in as well, and these were $32.99. Okay, so that's everything that I got at Target today. So I'm gonna go ahead and go try on the romper that I got and show you guys so that you can see what that looks like. Okay, so this is what the romper looks like on. I think it looks super cute from the front. I feel like it fits nice up top. I feel like there's like a good amount of coverage up here, and it honestly fits the bump pretty well. And then I always have trouble with these kinds of things because I have a very long torso, and so it's hard to wear like rompers and like bodysuits and stuff like that because they really ride up just because I have such a long torso. So the only issue with this one is that I feel like the back of it kind of rides up on me. Like I feel like it's not super flattering. Okay, so since these sandals were so cute, I decided that I had to wear them today. So I changed my outfit. I was wearing the green dress, but I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day. It's only like 2 o'clock right now, so it's not that bad. Okay, so Austin will be home soon. He'll be home in about, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour, and then we have a meeting to go to. But until then, I'm just gonna pick up a little bit around the house and get the house a little bit more clean because it is a little messy right now. Okay guys, so Austin just picked me up and we are headed to a meeting real quick. Babe, how's your day been so far?
Yeah!
Oh, really?
Just got done teaching at interns. I taught the main ideas between Romans 1 through 5. I won't bore you, and it's been pretty good. Good.
That's good to hear. The sun's shining and it's nice and warm out. We're not in big heavy coats, which is really nice. But yeah, we are about to pull into Starbucks to meet with our friends.
It's basically 50 degrees outside and I feel like it's 80. You know what I mean? Because it's been so cold.
No, I agree with that. I feel that. Okay, so we just got back from our meeting, got back to our house, and we're just gonna hang out here for a little while. And then after that, we are going to hang out with our friends Oscar and Lindsay. So we'll take you along for that. I think we're gonna grab some dinner and then hang out. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but we are home right now. It's about 5:30 right now, and I'm starving because I haven't eaten anything since lunch. So I'm quickly just making myself some scrambled eggs because random, but that's just what I feel like having right now. So I'm gonna make myself some scrambled eggs, and then we are just gonna hang out a little bit, and then we will go hang out with our friends. Okay guys, we are currently on our way to dinner to meet our friends Oscar and Lindsay and Maddie and Josiah. So we are headed to a place called Proof here in town.
It's a gastropub.
It's a gastropub. It's good, babe. I'm glad you let them know that.
On and on.
Austin, that was so loud. No, please don't. No, it's a restaurant. It's a restaurant.
Do you remember the 21st night? September. Please don't run this side of the spot.
Hi guys, good morning. It is Saturday and Austin and I just woke up. Well, I woke up like an hour and a half ago and got myself ready, but we are getting ready to take off and go get Starbucks and then go to the dog park this morning. Thanks. Where are we going? Are we going to the dog park? Where are we going? Buddy, are we going to the dog park? What are you doing?
Cooling down my sausage.
He's cooling down his sausage. Oh, and the egg. Okay, yeah. That's normal.
We heat up our food, what's wrong with cooling it? Today's the first day I've had sushi in probably 5 months, and I gave myself permission because I'm at my goal weight. As of today, I've lost 56.8 pounds. So I get sushi.
We just got back from the dog park and then we went and got sushi, which we were talking about. We haven't had sushi since like October of last year.
Because of keto and the pregnancy.
Because
But I kind of already regret it. I think I ate it and I was like, I didn't need to eat that.
I know, I feel really full and now I feel really sleepy.
Feel a little bloated.
Yeah, because we both had 2 rolls.
I'm gonna go play Fortnite.
Okay, bye. So we both had 2 rolls of sushi and it was delicious because we haven't had it since October of last year, but I feel super sleepy now and super full, but I'm gonna fight the urge to lay down and take a nap because I wanna be productive today. Okay guys, just quickly wanted to show you, I decided to get ready for the day. I was wearing leggings and a sweatshirt all morning. So now it's around like 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, I believe. So my friend Lindsay's coming to pick me up and we're gonna go run some errands. You just always want to be in it, don't you? We're gonna go run some errands, so I thought that I would show you guys my outfit. So I'm just wearing this super cute dress from Boohoo. I also, if we have time, I'm going to try to look for some maternity clothes. None of my clothes fit. Like, it is such a struggle trying to get ready in the morning, and I just, since it's 45 degrees outside, I just so badly want to wear jeans. Hello, we are officially in the car with my friend Lindsay, but I forgot to vlog everything that we went and did. We went and got me a new pop socket, which is super cute and nice and shiny and pink. Oh, and then we went and got me maternity clothes, which I'm super excited about because I can finally wear cute stuff that fits me. Hi guys, okay, so I just got back home and I wanted to quickly show you guys the stuff that I got from, it's called Motherhood. It's a store in our mall here locally, and it's just all maternity clothes. So I got some super cute stuff, so I just wanted to show you guys real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get changed, and Austin and I are actually gonna go to dinner tonight and have a little date night. So the first thing that I got, which I'm really excited about, is this. It's almost like a Sherpa, like a fuzzy jacket kind of thing, and it has a hood on it, which I really like, and it's super cozy, super fuzzy. Okay, and then the next thing that I got is just a plain pair of black jeans, which I have been dying for. I have needed black jeans that are maternity forever. They are Jessica Simpson maternity, so they're the Jessica Simpson brand, and they're so comfortable, they're so cute, they're distressed and have holes and stuff in them. Okay, and then I also got the same pair of jeans, but these ones are a light wash, and they have the tan thing at the top, which this is so like not attractive, but when you're pregnant, this thing is a lifesaver. It is so comfortable. So these are just a light wash jean, and then they have some distressing on them too. And then the bottoms of them are kind of cut just like the black ones. And then I got two shirts that I thought were so cute for spring and for summertime. These are both in a size medium, and this one says Bonjour ma belle, which is super cute. It has it in pink with the stripes, and then again it has the cinch on the side that is perfect for the bump. So I got this one, and then the last thing I got is this shirt is kind of the same thing, and it's just black stripes instead of gray stripes, and this one says Bonjour baby. And so I thought this one was super cute too. Both are a size medium, and they fit me really well, and they're super comfy. So yeah, that's everything that I got today from the Motherhood store at our mall for maternity clothes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get changed real quick, and then Austin and I are gonna go off to a place called Anthony's, which is just a restaurant here in town that is a little upscale and nice. So we're gonna do a little date night, and it's gonna be super fun. Also, I know I said that Binks was super muddy earlier today, but he got super muddy at the dog park, and then we left him outside for the like whole afternoon and the whole day actually, and he actually is not even muddy now. If you look at him, like, I don't know if it all just dried into dirt and then it just came off, but he looks like a beautiful boy. Hey babe, what night is it?
Date night.
Date night?
It's Saturday night though, for real. Church tomorrow. Well, we're just about to get a little rowdy at Bud's Broiler with some steak, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, instead of Anthony's, we chose Bud's Broiler.
Yeah, they killed a cow on a field nearby, and then we're gonna eat the muscle.
Gross, that sounds terrible.
I want the blood.
Oh my gosh. How do you feel?
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, God. We give you the glory.
Okay guys, we just got back home from dinner, and we had a little date night, and it was super fun. Now we are just going to lay down and rest. We have church in the morning, long day tomorrow. So yeah, do you have any last words for the vlog, babe?
I love you guys so much, I can't.
Don't. You're so weird. Okay, my arm hurts so bad from holding this thing up. Okay guys, we are going to sign off and go to bed now. What is that?
Signing off.
Okay. Alright, over and out. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification and comment down below and let us know what videos you guys want to see next. We love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Later, Gators.